Yeah.
And she's 44.
I really want to watch Finding Dory.
God, that Bastion's really annoying. Oh! That's game.
That was just one.
Oh, this is my jam. Wow, that was good. That was
I didn't
really
do
good
anything
right
there.
And I got another guy with my ult.
Yeah, why the fuck are we over? This is a horrible idea.
Oh, it's lit.
Why are you putting up so far?
What? Oh my god.
You walk over his dead body.
Yeah, he did.
Bastional.
There's a Tracer.
What? What'd I die from? Oh, the Bastion.
I get killed by a tiring .77 meters.
What the fuck?
I don't know what just killed there.
There's one pieces on there.
I want 30 minutes to get that.
That nigga's name is Edge. Bag. They're so silky smooth.
Really? Fuck you, Muffin. Shut the fuck up.
Fucking whack the fucking car so fast. I think we should adopt communism, but oh, let's go fast.
Up. You know what communists did to black people? Like, hello?
No, they didn't do anything bad. They never called me a nigger. Ah, shit, help!
Holy shit. That's what good pussy sounds like.
And I was like, I want to say he's like, it looks like you wanted to say something else. And I wrote, I wanted to say everything, but I'm not going to. And he goes, sometimes you don't have to say words. Nigga, what am I going to say? What am I going to go?
Okay.
And I wrote, I wanted to say everything, but I'm not going to.
I want you
And
to
he goes,
fuck me, Jerry. You know what?
Holy
Muffins,
Huh?
you can suck my taint.
Okay.
Just suck on my taint, the whole thing.
Gladly. No problem.
Y'all are dicks.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, I love you though, Keg.
Yeah, I'm the best.
Ow, it's a turret.
Most likely Hanzo's gonna be the next guy to get nerfed. Yeah.
Play of the game.
Is
it gonna be his ultimate?
I swear to God.
What the? Huh? Hello? What just happened?
I don't the guy even like, swear to Christ auto, I think.
Like,
hey, let's go back to the lobby. You don't want to play these fuckers again.
that he was. What?
Hell yeah.
Tracer coming up.
Oh! Ah!
Could you imagine if Symmetra's
No.
could also heal people?
God damn it. I'm on fire. Oh.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Waste my ultimate.
60 seconds.
Push it back as far as you can. Nice.
Reinhardt, get healed. Yeah.
Experience tranquility. See that which is unseen.
Who's Tourbillon?
Oh, I just raped that Tracer like, oh my god, she's just gonna kill herself.
Oh shit!
Oh, we lost.
Play the game.
Wow. Low flat, friend.
What's your slow crapping?
Fuck.
You just saved the game for us there.
Play of the game.
What? Fuck you, I hate all.
It had to be at least a quad kill because that's what I got.
Wow. Okay, that is pretty impressive. I'll give
If
it
it's
that.
not a quad kill. Okay.
Yep. Blow clap for you,
I'll take
Tracer.
that. My quad kill was better.